Hey, Mama, you want to see your babies? I have your babies. I have your babies. Who's that? Are those your babies? Are those your little babies?
Are these the only two?
Oh, Mama.
Hi,
Come on,
Mama.
babies.
Go see your babies.
Those are your babies. I know. They've been away for so long. Are you so happy to see them? Are you so happy to see them? Those are your babies.
Hi, honey.
Oh,
Those
you
your
crying,
babies.
baby. Come on, honey. Those are your babies.
She only had 2 in her litter?
She had 4. The other 2 died. Look at those little mamas. Yeah, they're hold on. They're trying to nurse, honey. They're hungry.
Does she even have any milk left?
Oh, yeah. You can turn it off now.